Oftentimes in the upper school, you will work on collaborative projects, and sometimes you'll need to create collaborative documents, PowerPoints, Excel sheets, and more. You're probably most familiar with Google Drive, where you create a document and then you share it with someone. It's the same way in Microsoft. So notice, I'm up here, this is me, but there's also someone else in this document. In this case, it's Test Student 23. Here is Test Student's cursor, where mine's up there, so we can both type on this document. This will save you a lot of time, so you're not sending things back and forth via email. So let's look at how this is done. There are 3 ways to share a file. There's a way within the file itself, and we'll look at that. You can use File Explorer and share that way, or you can go online and share via OneDrive. So within a file, like my group's important presentation, you can come up here to the top right and click Share. Notice this is a PowerPoint. We were just in Word. The same button is present there. You'll click Share, and then it'll say, well, who do you want to share this with? So you would type in someone's name, and then I can decide, do I want him to be able to edit? If so, leave the pencil as is. If not, click the down arrow and make it so they can just view. You decide what works best for you in your group, and then send. If all you want to do is share a copy of the presentation with someone, you can come down here to send a copy. Send it as a presentation or as a PDF. This way you're not giving them access to your main document. However, this is a group project, so I want to share it with Mr. Collins, and I want him to be able to edit. So I'll hit send.
In my 9th grade English, I've got my very important presentation. If I right-click on it, I get this share. If I click on share, the same dialog box opens, so I can put in Donna's name and send it. The final way is to go to the cloud into OneDrive. It's in my 9th grade, in my English, my very important presentation, and there's a little share symbol right here. So I'm in my files in OneDrive, 9th grade, English, my important presentation. I click on the little share icon, and I can put in Donna's name, and then hit send. And now it is shared with Donna. She and I can work on it at the same time. So just to recap, there are 3 ways to share files so that you can work collaboratively with group members. First, in the actual file itself, use the share link in the top right corner. Second, if you go to File Explorer, find the file. It should be saved to OneDrive Charlotte Country Day and then some other file structure below that. Go to the file, right-click on the file itself, and select Share. The final way is to go to OneDrive in the portal. That's portal.office.com. And I know I'm in the portal because I can see this little waffle weave pattern, and I'm obviously in a browser. Find the file and select the share link beside it. You can give permissions for editing or just viewing using Share.